everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to be freehanding a knit top that's going to match this cardigan that you saw in my previous video. So the yarn I'm going to be using will be Wool Ease Thick and Quick, these two colors, because obviously it's Christmas and I wanted Christmas colors to match my cardigan. Anyway, I have no idea how to knit a top because I don't think I've knitted a top before. Yes, I have the Louisiana top, but that was me following a pattern and making the Louisiana sweater into a top, just short sleeve. So technically, yeah, but not really, because it was a sweater pattern. So this will be my first official time making a top free-handed, no pattern involved. And yeah, I think it's gonna be fairly easy because once you know how to do a front panel, the back panel is literally just a panel, that's it, and then you just pick up for the sleeves. So yeah. Anyway, so I know it's gonna be easy, so this is not something that's gonna be challenging and I'm gonna mess up on because it's because it's easy. It's literally easy. So I'm excited to show you guys the process.
Me too.
Of me making this top, and then I will show you guys the cardigan and top together once I finish it. So let's get it. Okay guys, I finished the top last night, which literally took a few hours. It didn't even take a day or anything. I would say it took like 5 hours maybe. Anyway, the top is finished and I'm going to show you guys. Thank you, Fury. Fury loves it. But anyway, this is how it turned out. So perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted it tight fitted, short sleeve, not really like a wide collar. I wanted it literally just like this. But I know next time I'm gonna do 2 rows instead of 3 rows for the collar. But either way, it turned out so good. Are you kidding me? And I just decided to do random stripes because since it's matching the cardigan, which is green and red, I wanted it to have at least a little green in it in the front rather than just having the entire shirt be red. So, and I love stripes, so that, anyway, I'm obsessed with how it turned out. And now, time to add the cardigan. Ta-da! 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 Are you kidding me? This is so freaking cute. When I tell you guys I'm going to be making 1,000,000 tops like this, yeah, it's over with. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, look how perfect it is. I'm so happy I did the stripes, so it really just blends in with the cardigan. This is so cute. Anyway, I need to go take some pictures with this so I can post on Instagram because I am literally obsessed with this set. Anyway, I'm obsessed with this set. It's a set because in my next video, I'm going to be knitting a skirt to match this. Oh, my battery's about to die. My battery's about to die. Anyway, so in my next video, I'm going to be knitting a skirt to match it. I might do a stripe in it. I don't know. I might actually just do a solid. I don't know. I'll think about it and you guys will see in my next video. Anyway, that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!